If you have thought about having iced coffee blended, today we're going to show you using the Blendjet that we just received from Jenselter at Blendjet. So thank you, Jenselter, for sending that to us. We are going to show you how you can brew your own Starbucks coffee at home over ice, put it in the Blendjet, and have blended coffee with creamer if you like at home using Starbucks coffee, which is what we have in here, but without having to go to Starbucks, driving to Starbucks, and spending over $6. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to turn on our machine, and we have a button down here over ice. I'm going to choose a small cup, and we're just going to press over ice and just let it do its thing. All right, so once our coffee is freshly brewed into our mason jar, then we did the right thing by using the mason jar. We're gonna move our machine off to the side, and then what we're gonna do is pour it in here. Let's see how much of that coffee actually would fit in here with the ice. That fits in there, and then it's up to you if you want to add some coffee creamer in there while you're at it. Depends on your taste. Look at that fusion in there. Close it up real good, and then you're ready to blend. So there you go. You now have blended iced Frappuccino made at home using Starbucks coffee. It's up to you if you want to add some whipped cream. Look at that. And then get one of these straws in there, and you're ready to go. So thank you for watching. Again, here's another way that you can use your Blendjet blender to make your own Starbucks Frappuccino at home. I will put links in the description where you can get everything that we used in this video. Thank you for watching. You all have a great day.